Today is what? Today is Thursday. So technically, I'm starting it off in the middle of the week of working out. And I'm going to put it in my planner. I just worked out for 30 minutes? Yeah, I worked out for like 35 minutes. And I got this planner here. It says don't quit. And then it's a guided fitness journal. And it's nice. It comes with a ruler that you can detach here. And it says sweat now, glow later. This planner belongs to, I have to put my name in the planner because I haven't done that yet. And it has like 4 sections. It has 4 sections. The first section is weekly plans. And it starts with Monday. And it goes from Monday to Sunday. And then it has intention for the week, goal for the week, priority of the week. And it says at the top, yes, you can. And from the looks of things, it looks like the pages are all the same, front and back. So that's fine. And then it has a page that says discipline is the highest form of self-love, which is true. And then on this section is the workout, exercise. I am, I can, I will, I do. And the workout is like, it has exercise. It says set 1, set 2, set 3, set 4, set 5. And you put the date and it has the reps. So that's neat. And it also has a meal planning. It has breakfast, lunch, dinner, snacks. It has the date where you can put your date in. It has the shopping list in case you need to go grocery shopping for the week. And it starts with Monday. And I'm going to add some grocery information there as well. And then it has be the best version of you. And that is the habit tracker. Take each day at a time. It's okay, Curtis, just wait a minute. It says take each day at a time, my habits, habit reflections, take the wellness quiz. And the questions are, do I drink enough water? Have I taken enough time for me? Have I reached my goals? What was my biggest victory? Does self-care help my mood? Main focus going forward. And then it has some stickers. And this is what the habit tracker portion looks like. So what I'm going to do is I have to go through my video of me working out and what I just did. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to put that information here where it says workout exercise. I'm going to put that information there. And I did each exercise rep I did it for 20 minutes. Not 20 minutes. I'm sorry. I did it 20. So a count of 20. And some I did more than one time. And this is the planner that I'm going to use for my wellness journey, fitness journey, self-care journey as far as me eating better and just exercise and trying to get in better shape. And I'm glad I have a separate planner from everything else that I can put my food in, and I can put my workout information in.